Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Zendrop to use drop shipping for your Shopify store. So first of all, we need to integrate it. So you can go ahead and click on this place and you can integrate it. It's going to ask you like small questions. And after you integrate it, you're going to click on, no, not this one. Oh, I want to change my thing. Wait 1 minute. So to connect your Shopify store, you got to make sure that you click on Shopify and then you have to put your Shopify name. So I'm just going to go to shopify.com, log in, log in, and we need to find the link of it. So this is the link. Oh, frick, I can't copy it. So delete this first part and then copy paste it. So this is your Shopify store where you can like easily um, integrate it. And you need to make sure that you install the app. So when you do it, click on install app. So this is the Zendrop global shipping application for using as your drop shipping tool. So that's really cool. And after you link it, there's going to be on the left, there's going to be a Shopify thing where it will be linked. And so in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use drop shipping for Shopify. So first of all, we gotta find products that are trendy. So I wanna get, I wanna get, um, oh wow, this one looks pretty cool. So I wanna use this t-shirt for oh no, we can't do this because we need to have the free, we have the free feature right now, so we can't do that. However, we can do this because it's Zendrop. And after you click on import list, you're gonna check the price and you can click on import list and this is the place where you can like change a product name. So you can say dog, dogs special cool material product, high quality. So say something clickbaity to get the get the customers and you can also write the description here and it will definitely import it to your store. So how does it happen? Everybody wonders it. So Shopify integrates with Zendrop where it definitely helps you to like get more sales into your customers. The reason why is because when you have the products ready and they're shipping it for you, you don't do anything with Zendrop. They ship it for you, they package it for you. You just have to do the um, selling part. So you gotta have a good marketing. So right now it's already added to our product list. So we want to see this, so we click on it and then we have to check the price. So it's $18 for each of them. So this is really cool. You can also do that. The description is already extracted from the Zendrop page. Um, the online store is here, schedule availability. You can add like different collections. You can add tags to get more sales to your business. So this is really easy, guys. So let's try different things. Let's see how it looks like in our um, page. Let's go to products. So these are the active products. So I want to see my online store, how it looks like. So as you guys can see here, this is ready for our business. So you can click on it. So you can easily drop ship. You can change the size um, here, and you can click on buy it now. Oh, I have a problem with my store, so it will definitely work here for you guys. However, it doesn't work for me. The reason why is because I didn't pay my um, monthly fees, so it doesn't let me, but when it will work here for you. So the items are listed here. There's like high quality pictures, um, as you guys can see here. So it looks nice. So let's try a different product. Let's see if we have any like good products that we can sell and you can easily import it. So the imported products are here. And also when you get a sale, you're gonna see on your dashboard and here and also on your Shopify. So you gotta make sure that you add all the fees to get the full profit or else you won't make any profit. So let's see if we can do anything else. So let's try this pocket training sweaters for like gym guys. Um, so $16. So let's import it. So it's in our import list, and you gotta click on import to store and click on imported products. And right now it's importing, it's integrating with Shopify. So right now it's loading. As you guys can see here, there's no picture yet, but it will definitely load in like five, 6 seconds. So let's refresh. So it downloaded. Um, Here you can, there's 750,000 items in stock, so you don't need to worry about having anything in stock. They will do it for you, and if there's not something in stock, they will like change it for you. So you just gotta make sure that you have the right traffic area where you can get the sales from that specific like social media application or anywhere else, like YouTube Shorts. So you gotta do the marketing. So let's set the price for this because I don't want to charge $19. Oh, they do the charging for you. So they charge $48. So let's see how much money that we're gonna make from $49. By the way, $49 is very ideal for US customers. The reason why is because US people don't really care about the price. But you can make this like $29.99 to get more sales because $29.99 for a new item is normal for US people. So let's see if we can get this one. Okay. So it's $16 of profit, and what is 29 minus 16.25? So we're gonna make $12 per each sale, which is really profitable. You pay like 10% fees, so you make like $10.50 for each product. However, if you sell it for $48, let's see this, you're gonna make $22. $22. That's huge. And let's see this in our Shopify website. So you gotta click on save to change the price. So one of them is $29.99. Click on online store and they will list it for you. You just gotta make sure that you have the right title for each of them and they will do it for you. You can click on buy it now. Oh, by the way, guys, this is really, really like exotic. It looks so good. I don't know how they like managed to make this for like $9. Probably they use like a different labor in like different countries, but this one looks fine. So you can easily do a good marketing by ordering sample products for your custom, like your for your business, and you can get the most out of it. And yeah, so that's how we do it. You can change the description, and I would prefer you guys to like add tags, like say um, gym fit. And when you do it, when somebody searches it up in the internet, they will get this special thing if they search up like gym fit. But you gotta like make sure that you have a good listing, good pictures. I mean, they do the pictures for you. However, you can like easily delete it. You can click on delete and delete it and add like your own like modeling pictures. However, these ones are so good, so they will definitely sell for sure. So that was basically it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're uploading videos every single day. So thank you all so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.